So hello and welcome to Alton Towers Resort. Today we are going for a tour around the Alton Towers Resort Hotel Explorer Room. So naturally the first place we're going to look at is the toilet. So in here we have some lights. That one was playing up earlier. Hello. Yeah, we've got some Sea Coat Luxury Soap. Ooh. The Scottish Fine Soaps Company, yeah. Got a sink for all your sink-based needs. Bath shower combination. Could probably do with a bit of remasticing, I'll be honest, but you know, it is what it is. Toilet. Definitely the best place to pee in this hotel room, that I can confirm. Toilet roll, that's important for your poops. So yeah, this is our air conditioning. And it doesn't look like it works. Oh, I stand corrected. How powerful is it? It's quite loud. And it doesn't... There we go, look at that. I'm going to turn it off because it's loud for now. How do I turn it off? Okay, just like that. Yeah, we got this picture of the boat. Very fancy lighting thing. Oh, USBs on your plugs, I'll agree with that. I'm not a massive fan of the block, but you need that, otherwise it doesn't fit. So yeah, there's a mirror, there's me, look at me, ta-da! It's a globe and stuff. This is the bed. This is where you sleep and or sleep. So yeah, that's that really. This is Secret Weapon 47. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, standard tea and biscuits and stuff. Cups. Izzy has prepped my room. And yeah, some more imagery. Compass table, that's pretty cool. And then out the window I have a nice view of the pond. And the CBeebies Hotel. So yeah. And then we have the kids' bed and crayons! And an activity book. Shall we see what's in the activity book? Stand by. Activity book. Welcome to the Alton Towers Hotel. Word search, colouring in. Maze. That's nice. So yeah, that's that. Let's see if there's anything in the drawer. Oh, hairdryer. Oh, hello. I forgot about this. Oh, no treasure for me. So yeah, that's that. This is the room. £140 it cost me for tonight with my Merlin Magic Club Pass discount thing. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you very soon. Thank you.